Why is my token value showing 0? Have you ever opened your MetaMask wallet, seen your tokens there, but noticed the dollar value sitting at 0? Don't panic. This is actually a very common issue, and it doesn't mean your funds are gone. Here's the deal. MetaMask isn't an exchange. It's just a wallet interface. It doesn't generate its own price data. To show you how much your assets are worth in USD or other fiat currencies, it has to look that information up from external price aggregators like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. If your token shows its quantity but lists the value as 0, it usually means that specific price feed isn't linked yet. This frequently happens with brand new projects, recent token migrations, or tokens that aren't listed on major exchanges yet. The most important thing is that the balance is showing it correctly. That is your real proof of ownership. If the project is legitimate and listed, MetaMask will eventually link the price data, and that 0 will automatically update you the correct dollar value. It's just a matter of time. In the meantime, you can always check your wallet's true portfolio value by plugging your address into a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It's the most accurate source of truth for your holdings. So, if you're seeing zeros, take a deep breath. Check your token count and trust the process. Hit that like button if this video helped put your mind at ease.